This tool is about to blow your mind.
You're very small.
Small doesn't mean weak.
99% of creators think AI automation is expensive, that you need paid tools, plenty of credits, and a high-profile setup. But the secret auto video generator changes everything. This tool can generate 100 plus AI videos in just a single click. No trials, no hidden fees, no restrictions at all. Over the past few months, I've been testing a lot of automation tools, especially the ones that can generate AI videos in bulk. No complicated tools, no animation experience required. If you can copy and paste, you can do this. Most people get stuck right at the start. The story idea. If the story is wrong, the script feels weak, and one scene won't match the next. So in this video, I'll give you the exact master prompt I use to generate everything. The story idea, the full script, the characters, and every scene prompt. And I'll show you how to fix the biggest problem in AI animation, character consistency, so your character stays the same in every scene. By the end, you'll have a complete workflow you can copy to create your own animations. Before we move to the next step, let me tell you something important. If you want the exact master prompts I used in this video, I have shared them inside my WhatsApp community. Yes, completely free. Inside the community, I regularly upload powerful AI prompts, automation tools, workflow updates, and step-by-step guidance to help you grow your YouTube automation channel faster. You'll also get updates about new tools, bulk video methods, and hidden tricks that I don't always share publicly. If you're serious about building an automated YouTube income stream, this is where you need to be. Check the link in the description, join the WhatsApp community, and let's grow together. Let's begin. Step 1. First, go to the prompt where I ask to create a 3D animated story that is about 3 to 5 minutes long. You can increase the length of the story if you want. First, it will generate character prompts, and after that, it will give us scene prompts. At the end, I clearly mentioned, first give me scene prompts, and when I say go ahead, then give me video prompts. Copy the master prompt, paste it into ChatGPT and hit generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT will produce the complete animation package, including the full story script and clear character descriptions. First, we need characters for our story. There are two main characters, lion and mouse. Now, we will generate the character and scene images using Google Whisk. For your characters and all your scene images, we are going to use Google Whisk. It's free, beginner-friendly, and one of the best tools for keeping your characters consistent across the entire animation. First, open a new tab and type Google Whisk AI. Click on the first link, and this type of interface will appear. First, choose the aspect ratio of 16:9 for a YouTube-style long video. Now, here you can see the option to add images. If you already have a character image, you can upload it here, or you can add text. Since we have text, I will paste it here. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy your first character prompt. Paste it into Whisk's prompt box and click generate. Within a few seconds, Whisk will create your first character with clean detail and a polished animation-ready look. Next, generate character 2. Return to ChatGPT and copy your second character prompt. Paste it into Whisk and click generate again. Now you have a second character that matches the same 3D animated style. Now we have both character images. Next, we need scene images. So I will go back to ChatGPT. Here you can see ChatGPT mention scene numbers in every prompt. I will type "don't mention scene or scene numbers between prompts" and hit enter. Now you can see I only have the prompts I need. Now I want to generate all the scenes in one single click. So I will open Google Whisk and click on the Auto Whisk extension. If you don't know about it, I have a complete detailed video on it. You can visit my channel and watch those videos as well, where I cover many more topics and niches on which you can create your own YouTube channel. At the top of the video, you can see an icon button. Click on it and you will directly land on the Auto Whisk video. I will also paste the video link in the description. We will select version 7.6.0. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy all the scene prompts and paste them into the Auto Whisk prompt box. As you can see, Grok automatically picks the prompts and separates them wherever a new paragraph begins. If we go to the settings, you will see that Auto Whisk not only downloads the images, but it also saves them in a new folder named Whisk Downloads. You don't have to create the folder. Auto Whisk automatically generates it and downloads the images into it. For the aspect ratio, we will select 16:9 for a YouTube-style long-format video. You can also choose 9:16 for shorts. The image count is set to 1 by default, so I will not change it. Here is the important thing. Reference images. For consistent characters, click on it. In the subject section, upload the first character image and name it Lion. Then upload the second image and name it Mouse. Now click on Upload and Analyze. It will take about 10 to 15 seconds. After analyzing, you can see Auto Whisk provides detailed prompts for both characters. Now click Done and then click Start. Now you don't have to do anything. Auto Whisk will handle the entire process for you. Sit back and relax. As you can see, Auto Whisk is downloading the images for you. Wait for the process to complete. Don't worry, Google Whisk is completely free. This way, you can generate unlimited images and create videos in no time. This is how you can create multiple videos in a single day. This is automation. Everything runs on its own. Automation has made our work easier. After the download is complete, you will see that Auto Whisk has created a folder named Whisk Downloads. Open it and you'll see every image is 3D animated with perfect results and strong character consistency. You also don't need to arrange the images. Auto Whisk has already done that for you. Now it's time to bring these images to life. Once again, we need an automation tool that allows us to generate multiple videos without wasting time. For that, I am using Grok. Open a new tab and type Grok Automation Extension. Open the first link that appears, then click Add to Chrome. Allow your device to install the tool. Once it is successfully installed, pin it to the toolbar so we can easily start our bulk automation. Now, instead of manually adding prompts and generating videos one by one, this tool allows you to generate videos in bulk. If you are tired of waiting for each video, typing prompts one by one and downloading them manually, this automation tool is designed specifically for you. This extension turns Grok into an automatic content engine that allows you to batch send prompts, saving time and effort. It eliminates the hassle of manually adding prompts and waiting hours for downloads. Now, this is the main interface of AutoGrok. You will see an option that says Navigate to Grok. This extension works alongside Grok AI, so we need to open Grok as well. Simply click Navigate to Grok and you will land directly on the official Grok website. If you have already signed up, this is the page you will see. Otherwise, you will need to create an account first. The setup I'm about to show you is very important to ensure this automation workflow runs smoothly. If you skip any step, you may encounter errors and waste credits. Now, we need to configure the extension to execute our first project. Here, you can see 4 options to create videos: text to video, frame to video, image to video, image to image. For now, I will choose frame to video, the second option. Next, we have concurrent prompts. This setting controls the automation process with Grok without you even touching your laptop. Keep it at the default setting. The third option is called prompt delays. This determines how long the tool waits before sending the next prompt when running multiple prompts in a batch. For example, if the delay is set to 30 seconds, the tool sends one prompt, waits 30 seconds, and then sends the next one. So, the delay is simply the gap between each prompt in bulk generation. This is crucial during batch generation because it prevents errors and failed generations. I recommend setting it to at least 15 seconds. Don't make it too fast. Give the system enough time to process each prompt smoothly. Finally, this is where the real magic happens. The section where you paste all your prompts at once and generate your videos automatically. We are now all set to start our first bulk generation project with Grok AI. Go to ChatGPT and type "Go ahead." Now, ChatGPT will give you image to video prompts. Copy all the prompts and go to Grok. Paste the prompts into the prompt box. Now upload all the images at once. Don't worry, Grok will automatically pick every image in sequence. As you can see from the numbering, all images are arranged in order. Before you hit Run, go to the Settings tab and configure the download and video settings. Click on Default Mode and select Frame to Video. For the default aspect ratio, you'll see plenty of options. We can create long videos, shorts, and even videos for Facebook and Instagram. For now, I will set it to 16:9 for YouTube-style videos. Next, we have output videos. We will keep it at the default setting, 1 video per prompt. Below that, we have image options. Keep them as they are for now and change the duration if you want. You can generate videos from 6 to 10 seconds. I will set it to 6 seconds because I only need short clips for this demo. The last option is auto download. Here you control whether the videos are downloaded automatically or not. If you select no download, the automation will generate the videos but won't save them to your PC. You can also select the download quality, set it to 720p, and finally hit Run. This is where the real magic happens. Watch this. Now it is generating the videos automatically. Everything happening on the screen right now is completely automated. We just have to wait and watch the results. Check this out, guys. The generation is now complete. And this is the quality we have. You can see all the videos are generated in full HD quality, and they also include audio.
Someday, I might help you.
I'd like to see that.
I'm free!
You saved me. I was wrong.
Everyone matters.
Thank you, my friend. That's what friends do.
Here is one more method if you want to save even more time and skip generating images first. Go to ChatGPT and type, "I want text to video prompts for the same story with perfect lip sync." Hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will give you text to video prompts. Copy all the prompts and go back to Grok. Paste them into the prompt box. In the settings, don't change anything. Keep it the same as we configured earlier. Then click Run. With this method, you can generate videos directly from text. This is exactly where these extensions come in handy and save you from that repetitive workflow. Now, you know how to automate your workflow with Grok. Let's now see how you can use it to start successful automation channels in any niche. You can create documentary videos, animation videos, history videos, psychology videos. Almost any niche can be covered using this workflow. Now all our videos are generated. Let's see the results.
You're so tiny.
Maybe, but I still matter.
Someday, I might help you.
I'll remember that.
Perfect lip syncing, perfect video quality, perfect character consistency. Now for the final step, combining all the videos together. Open any editing software you like. I am using Adobe Premiere Pro. Import all the videos and drag them onto the timeline. Arrange them in order, then export the final file. Your video is ready. This is your chance to step up and take advantage of this workflow. If you have any questions about this masterclass, ask me in the comments and I will reply to each one of you. Like, subscribe, and share this video with others as well. Thank you so much and good luck.